Okay, hello everyone. Today is Tuesday. It's actually Monday where I am because I'm 6 hours earlier than Eastern time here. But it's Monday. Today's video is for Monday, January 7th, 2019. And I wasn't going to make a video today because it wasn't the greatest day. However, I have something interesting to share, so I decided to make the video before I resets my charts for tomorrow's trading. What I wanted to share with everyone was this spreadsheet. Now, a BWT trader client shared this with me, and basically going back to January 12th or 15th, something like that. December. He's got an Excel spreadsheet here where he tracked the drawdown and the winning and losing days and the drawdown and the profit for each day, and he modified my settings just slightly, just reduced the loss limit. The chart he was trading is the E-mini S&P Super Renko with the 6-tick higher time frame, Super Renko 4-tick with a 6-tick higher time frame. And we've seen this chart a lot. I've pointed it out many times. And he kept a running total here, and he's got the entries start here at position row 14 and go through all the way to 90. So that is 76 days here are tracked on this chart. So this is actually going back quite a bit, 76 days here, 76 entries. And so here's the daily P&L, the E-mini S&P Super Renko 4-tick, higher time frame 6-tick. Pretty much the settings are the same in my chart. I'm pretty sure that's what he told me, except that he lowered the drawdown to 800. And I think on this column here he had it at 1,000. Or 1,050 instead of 800, and he was just tracking the difference down here. But here's all the running totals. The bottom line is that the P&L was 27,881, 66% winners, and the max drawdown was 2813. Now this here was I forget what he told me here. That was 72% winners. There were some other settings. I guess it was here. But in any case, this proves the consistency and the potential profitability of the auto trader. Somebody is, keeping some good records, and that's kind of what it takes to ultimately get the confidence to go live. In another development, another client qualified for a combine with a different company, not Top Step Trader, but there's another company, and I'm going to do an interview with him later on this week, and he will talk about how he achieved these results, and it has something to do with the time that he started the auto trader. Just because the market opens at 9:30 doesn't mean you have to start trading there. What he does is he waits for an area of kind of a make it or break it area, support and resistance, whatever you want to call it, but he has a couple of ways to decide where the make it or break it areas are, and then he begins trading there. Anyway, first up in the video is the 987 Heikin-Ashi tick on the E-mini S&P, and this hit its goal in 2 trades, and trading was over in 30 minutes. And pretty nice swings here, great signals from the indicators, as you can see. Excellent placement on the trades, and the goal on this one is 1525 with a 925 loss limit. One of the reasons you want to look at your equity curve starting from 0 every day is so that you can see the equity high and the drawdown very easily, and then you can make adjustments. One of the reasons you want to look at the equity high and the drawdown is that you may be able to reduce your loss limits, like this other trader did that provided me with the Excel spreadsheets. So my settings are not, they're pretty good. A lot of traders have told me they've not been able to improve some settings, but others have. So it's a good idea to adapt to your own style of trading. Okay, there was only one DAX chart that did well today, and that was the 377 Heikin-Ashi tick, and this hit its goal on a single trade here, and you can kind of see the session in the DAX. It wasn't a whole lot, but nevertheless this hit its goal of 1550 and had no slippage. Okay, the crude oil on the Superenco 8 tick with the line break logic did pretty good. It drew down only about 150 per contract. You can see the drawdown here. The first equity high was just under $500, and then it drew down to break even and then came back and hit its goal with a couple of trades here. So next is the crude oil on a Superenco 7 tick, and it was the crude oil that kind of took the cake today, and this one hit its goal in a single trade, and trading was finished in 10 minutes, and the profit goal on this was 1,200, a loss limit of 1,000, so a couple of ticks of slippage and a really nice single trade on the day. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a Superenco 4 tick. This one, the template on this one is it's 1,000 goal, trading 2 contracts, limit order with 1 tick pullback, and this is the template here. So obviously this used to be a Superenco 2 tick, and I changed it to a 4 tick. But anyway, this one hit its goal. Okay, so last but not least is a Superenco 4 tick, and this has Superenco 8 as the higher time frame, and this one hit its goal of 750, and not without taking a little bit of heat. It drew down only $400, that's about 200 per contract, and then recovered from its drawdown with this really nice couple of trades right here. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.